from his latest film, Nope. And here to tell you about the sets is writer-director Jordan Peele.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Planet, the nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky G. Park. Over there, look into the winking web and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Share. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Why? A little further down, you can see the brand new Summer Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. It's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, welcome to the world of No.